Here we go, 4th graders. Let's take a look at our learning target today. For reading, what is personification? So let's take a look at anchor chart. Oops. Lesson 16, personification. A metaphor describes something as if it were something else, like glass marbles of hail. So the metaphor would be where it's talking about the hail. Personification is a kind of metaphor that gives non-living things human qualities, like sunshine smiling kindly. So sunshine, the smiling kindly part is personification, where it's giving something a human quality. And I want you to look here at this word personification, and I'm going to circle here. It's got the word person in it, so that's why it means human-like qualities. It's like a person, basically, is what it says. So let's take a look now at this page, and we're going to reread. I'm going to focus on the 3rd paragraph here. Charlotte took off her gloves and carefully walked across the swaying timbers to see if the bridge was worthy. She stopped a few times and listened to the moans of the wood. She felt the swollen planks and pulled on the guard ropes until she was satisfied. So the moans of the wood is personification. And what makes this personification? Well, moans are sounds that people actually make when they're scared or hurt. Wood doesn't actually have those feelings. So it's that moans part that really is that personification. What does the author mean by that? The author means that the wood is making noises as though it is in pain. And then for the mood that it sets, it adds killing up here. So personification also adds to the mood of the story. Let's take a look at what you're going to do today. So what you're going to do is fill in this personification form. Fill in the form with your turn to talk partner. Both must turn in the assignments. You must turn it in when you're done. Use the textbook to help you read this out when finished. So let's look at what the form actually looks like. So you write your name here. You're going to write an example of personification on page 479. What the example means, what kind of mood does it help add to the scene. Then you're going to do the same thing on page 480. I will fix that so it's not multiple choice. So you're going to write an example of personification here, what it means, and what kind of mood it helps set. So let's review what personification means. Personification is the kind of metaphor that gives non-living things human qualities, like sunshine smiling kindly, or moans of the wood. And then we need to understand what the personification means and what kind of mood it's setting for the story.